Hello. I'm hoping that I can be heard. Just setting up some stuff, making sure I have everything on my screen that I need to. Let's see. We have Godot. We have this, we have that. I could put that into the system tray. We should have everything. Alright. Yippee. Look at us go. And I'll update that for now. Alright. Well, I got a bit done from yesterday. We did, well, we did a bunch, which I'm very happy about. Um, I finally realized some stuff that I could use to make things happen. Which is great. I love that. I'm so very happy about that. And yeah. So I'm hoping that this will also be as productive because I'm going to be doing a lot of rubber duckying. I can feel it. Okay. But yeah, so um aside from that, like how is everyone? Oh, hi. Hi. Welcome back. It's great to have you back. I hope it's not too like late or early or whatever for you. It's like the middle of the day for me. But yeah, it's exciting. Yippee. Oh, it's only 10. Great. I'm presuming like 10 p.m. But yeah, so exciting, exciting. How's your day? How's your day going? My day is going pretty good. I have most of my cats in my room. We have three out of five cats in my room, which is so very silly. Ooh, exciting. I did see you posted a drawing. It was super cool. I like it. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun. Yeah. I woke up like really late this morning, so and by really late, I mean like later than usual. But yeah. So I'm excited to get back into doing my game dev stuff now that I've figured out some of the parts from last night. Late for you, 6 a.m.? Are you serious? That's super early for me. That's crazy. No, no, that's crazy. I woke up like I think that like 7 a.m. is like a good time to be waking up, I guess. Like 7 to 8 a.m. is when I like to wake up. But I woke up at like maybe 9 to 10 a.m. this morning. So like a few hours ago. That's crazy. 6 a.m. Wow. Okay, okay, look. Yeah, that's fair. That's totally fair. Because I have to get out of the house at like 7:30 to get to work. But yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm hoping to rub a ducky a lot and figure out what's going on with my code. yeah. So, let's see. Shall we get into it? Um, rubber ducky away. Let's see, software, game development. Update the stream tag thing. And we'll just check that it's working. It's this one, isn't it? Why is this? Okay, okay. Hey! Hi, welcome. Good luck. Thank you. I am going to need it. Um, Give me a second. One of my cats wants to get out. Okay, we're back, we're back. Um, okay, let's get into it. Cats are lovely. Yeah. I have 5 entire cats. Um, Ka-chow. There we are. Back back here with the most amazing um sprites assets. Aren't they gorgeous? No, you can't steal my cats. It is a lot of cats though. It is a lot of cats. But yeah, okay. So we started with this and oh yeah, I I forgot about comments and then was reminded about comments. That's what we were at. Alright, let's see. So, I'll run through this again quickly. Except I think OBS is gonna be silly about it. So give me a second. I go to this. I go there. That should theoretically be working. Ka-chow. Absolutely wonderful sprites, right? Aren't they glorious? So yeah, we have this. The idea is that we click on that and it'll do a thing. So what we were working on when this is pressed, yep, you do that. And let's go print. Oh, press that twice. Sometimes my keyboard presses things twice and it's really annoying. Alright. Gonna do this. Yeah. So unclothes pile pressed. Yeah. Now let's try that again. Press the clothes pile, close that. Hey, and it works. Yeah, my keyboard doesn't like me. That's the problem. It's very annoying. Cause it used to only do it on the L key, which is kind of funny, but then it started doing it on other keys. I think it just hates me. Okay, so we've done that. Now what I want to do is I'm going to do this. This is gonna look kind of weird. My keyboard is feeling. Yeah, look, don't blame the keyboard. He's just a little guy. Okay, this is gonna look really weird, but it's for the sake of testing. Oh my gosh! Wait! Did you see that? Did you see that? It works! It works! Yes! That's exactly what I want! um, I call everything a guy. Everything is a little guy. But yeah, let's go! That's exactly what I wanted to do this whole time! Now the next thing we want to do is we want to switch from this scene to this scene. The question is how we do that. So, yeah. Yeah. On EP enable. Screen entered. So when, yeah, so readying this means we hide those when, okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, we're gonna rub a ducky a bit here so that I remember what my code does. So, when we start out in the scene, we hide normal, show EP, hide all the arrows but the right arrow. And then what we want to do is on left arrow pressed, but we only want it when this is happening. So, when the screen is entered, I wonder if there's a way to say, like, if the left arrow is pressed, then do thing. But only if it's in this, with this, what's it called? Like, condition. If condition is true, then, no. If condition is true, and other condition is true, then do thing. Is we want, is, is what we want to do. That's what I'm going for. Is there a way? I'm wondering if there's a way to do that. Like, maybe the if function can do something like that. Maybe because I want to make it so that you can like still click on the arrows and they pop up in the different scenes sort of thing. So I'm gonna add that in as comment is is on screen and left arrow pressed. Then show how this background plus clothes bed plus clothes. So yeah, that's that's what we want to do with this, right? That's what we want to do with it. Problem is how we do that. Yeah. I'm probably gonna have to look up like how how do we do that? How do we do that? So, let's see. Do some professional Googling. Good how to conditional statements. Conditional statements. Would be nice. See, the thing that's really annoying with did you miss anything? Not a lot. If you just have a look what I've written here, that's basically what I was writing and like you know, trying to figure out. But see, the thing with like conditional statements and such is that every sort of like GD script tutorial thing or like thing about conditional statements is specifically for like integers and such, which obviously I'm not using, but I'm wondering if I can I'm looking stuff up. Assign a variable to a variable based on a condition. What? Okay. Uh-huh. I definitely understand that. Like, maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. Like, maybe I don't need conditional formatting? Formatting? No, statements. Conditional statements. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe... Maybe inside that I can... Wait, I'm gonna fiddle around with this a bit. If... Does it... On... What? Wait, is it what? No, right. On right arrow pressed. I got that one. On if and right pressed equals true. Wait. Wait. We might be getting that. We might be getting somewhere. Print. Alright. Oh, please work. Please work. Whoop. Oh, yeah, true. I forgot to do this. Alright. Press this. What the heck? Well, yeah, I may have... Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. It... I'm not sure why it did that. I'm wondering what sort of... I'm sure it's something stupid. On right arrow pressed, print this. If... it might just be better if we say... second bedroom scene dot show, right? So I'm sure there's a much easier way to go about this, but shush. Is there a way to see what the event returns? Yeah, like in this thing, like yeah, but I'm not sure why it did that. So yeah, that's not doing what I want it to, but I'm not sure why. Maybe my syntax for this is wrong. Hmm. Wait. If it's true. Um. Without the. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. No. Okay. It keeps doing like printing way too many of these though, because oh, wrong thing. Yeah, because if I okay, what do you want from me? Did I put a space in there? Like, what do you were fine before? What do you mean? Expected indented block after function declaration. Yeah. Is it because of this? Yeah, whatever. Whoops. Okay, what do you keep complaining about? Oh, maybe it's this. Okay, yeah. We're good, we're good. Um, like just the event. Maybe. Because, like, if we press this once in the thing, it does it once, right? Without all that. If we press it 1, 2, 3, it should theoretically add 3 more. Yeah. So it's doing what I want when I don't add this stuff. So there's something about this that is maybe if I remove this from here. Um go oh, whoops. Wrong lines. I was like, hold up. That is not code. I'm not sure if that will do anything, but okay. So yeah, I think it was something about putting it in the process bit that was making it just continuously do the thing. Store a boolean that detects when the right arrow is pressed. I'm gonna be so real with you. I'm not actually sure what that means or entails. Because basically the way that I've been testing the arrows is by making it print a piece of text in the like debug menu thing. What's it called? This little guy. Which you can see here with that with the amazing impeccable cha-cha slide reference. So yeah. Sort of like on the event for the right arrow, set a boolean to true. Then you can check an EP for the boolean and set it back to false after. Okay. Okay, look, I get, I'm comprehending the words you are saying. Just give me a second for my brain to register how that works. Alright, on the event for the right arrow, set a boolean to true. Okay, wait. Okay. Booleans can be directly used in if. I'm just reading up the documentation for booleans currently. Let's see. The bool is a built-in variant type that may only store one of two values, true or false. Yep, makes sense. Booleans can be directly used in if and other conditional statements, for sure. All comparison operators return booleans. As such, it's not necessary to compare booleans themselves. Oh! Huh. Okay, interesting. Okay. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I'd know if it'll work though, since I don't know how variables work in Godot. Yeah, fair enough. Um, well, I mean, I'm learning. You're learning. We're all learning. I swear to God, all my cats just want to leave now that I'm actually doing stuff. Give me yet another second. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, so what I've gathered is it up arrow, left arrow, right. Function. Okay. Whoops. Look at this. Um, is okay. Ooh, that's kind of what I want to do. So how does that? Uh, So I need to have some sort of variable, it looks like. I need to define a variable. Um, I am realizing that I have, like, no clue what things mean. And by realizing, I mean I've, like, realized it while doing this whole thing. I'm like, what does this mean? But for all the documentation I read, I start to understand more. Who could have guessed? Let's see. The basic background of programming in Python, same Z's, but I run into a problem. A bool variable in other script, and a delta process in another script which calls this bool. Problem is the value of the variable never changes. Okay, okay. Unready variable. Yeah. Status. Function on. Oh, that's how you would do that. That's how you would do that. What's the difference between this and this? Oh, right, yeah, of course. Okay. I think I know how to do this. I think I know how to do this. Where is it? On right arrow pressed. Oh wait, we need it. We need a thing first. Oops. What do we call a variable? Variable. Button press equals false. On right arrow pressed. Button press equals true. Okay. So wait. I'm gonna call it right button press. Right button press is false. And that's pressed, which means if right button press equals true, it is not allowed inside an expression. I think that maybe something like that. Indent-based script. Yeah. I'm so used to doing so much indenting in Python. Okay. Now. Great. Amazing. On screen entered. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. We might have to do, because this is when. Okay. Wait. Yeah. That for now. Maybe if I put it here. Is that the right indenting? It looks like it. Oh! Oh, we did a thing! Oh, we did a thing! Oh my gosh! You saw that, right? Woo! Alright, we're getting places. Yes! Yes! Now what I'm gonna do is because I only want that to work. Okay. So here's the next thing that we need to figure out. Okay? Is I want it to only work when EP is on screen. Java, C++. I haven't actually learnt Java or C++, so It's on my list though, of course. But yay! Oh my gosh. This makes me so happy. We've got something. We've got something. Okay. Did I... and print. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Press here. Press this. Close that. And did it do the thing? It did the thing! Okay. We're getting places. If you ever need help with either Java or C++, advice or anything, you can shoot me a message. Thank you! I definitely will when I get around to eventually learning them. I have way too many languages I want to learn. Alright. I'm slowly getting used to this, though. This is fun. I like this. I'm very happy with this. This is giving me ideas. Okay. It's the same with me learning programming. Yeah, I'm a huge language nerd, so I have a lot of programming languages that I am planning on learning, as well as general languages. Except... oh god, assembly. Okay, so now what I want to do is have it so that only when this sprite is on screen do we return this thing. So I'm thinking we need a different variable for each, is my sort of thought process on that. Because I'm not sure if we can use, like, the conditional statements to do that. If that makes sense. But... Because, like, I don't think we'd want too many variables, because then it'll get, like, clogged up with, like, every variable ever. But, yeah. Also, at some point I'm going to need to make more programmer art so that I can do other scenes in this thing. I have, like, notes put in my phone for, like, what things I want to add to everything, which is fun. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm not sure, like, whenever I deal with multiple buttons and such in Java, I normally have a list. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm thinking that maybe I'll just have to have heaps of variables. I mean, it's like, gonna be my first proper game, you know, that I end up putting out, so it's okay to be absolutely trash, because I don't know how to optimize things yet. So if I can find my list, give me a second. Game Jam Story Doc. There we are. Ooh, we're gonna have some fun making some of this art. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. So there's a few things that need to be clickable. Which means we're gonna have to have a look through this and find things that are meant to be clickable. Which, namely, let's see, let's have a look. Could try setting up an array. Oh, yeah, I could try that. I've never, you know, sometimes it's great to go out of your comfort zone, and I've never, like, looked into arrays and how they work and such. So, yeah, maybe, let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at the documentation and see if it will be easy enough for me to just do. I'm sure it'll be fine. So, making an array. Array. A built-in data structure that holds a sequence of elements. Yep. Elements are accessed. Yep, cool. Anyways, okay. That's a lot of stuff. See, I know. Class name, class. Yep, cool. I know what these words mean. My brain is comprehending them. Does that sound convincing enough? I've used so many, I'll have to show you some of my code sometime. Yeah, for sure. I would be happy to have a look at code. Man, it's so fitting having a cyborg doing game dev or like just coding in general. It's kind of funny. Alright. I'm sure. Oh! Oh, wait! Wait. Wait. I thought I had figured out how it works, but yeah. It is very funny. And I thought, okay. You know, maybe sometime later, especially if I have like time to review my code, I might try and finagle it to add in arrays. But for now, I'm I think I'm just gonna try and just have a bunch of variables and set them up so that I can do the things. You know? Okay. So um how do I make it so that um oh wait. I have an idea. Wait, I don't have an idea. Yeah, that's all good. Okay, I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. If I call the function on right arrow pressed, if right button press is equal to true, then oh wait, it doesn't have a then thing. Then press variable eb right press is also false, but if right button press is true on right arrow post, then set the variable ep right press to true. And then if ep right press is true, hear me out. I don't know if this is even going to work, but theoretically, surely, maybe, please work. No! Alright, what did I do wrong? What do I need to do to fix this? And the right arrow is pressed. It sets that to true and prints that. This is when EP entered the screen. So it's not like always, I think, is the issue. It's just when she first enters the screen, I think is what's happening. So, how do we fix this? Let's see. Let's brainstorm. Let's rub a ducky even. So, when EP first enters the screen, it's saying if the right arrow has been pressed, which means yeah, cool. This returns everything. Is there an event for just if EP is on the screen? See, I don't know. I think the main problem is I don't know how to do like a if EP is on screen. So it's just like when she's entered the screen. Because there's like, yeah. Maybe I have to make like a custom signal for that. Yeah. Which is why I'm like, I don't know. Don't know. Maybe look. Gonna That's not what I wanted to press, but whatever. Have a look. Let's have a look. Because there's visible on-screen notifier. Text whether it's wait. Rectangular region of 2D space that detects whether it's visible on screen. I think we may have found our solution. Oh, that's also smart. Alright. Well, I mean, I was thinking about that actually. I was thinking about having a bool set to true and then set it to false after. So, we were on the same train of thought, but I was like, wait, didn't I say this other one? I think this might be useful. Yeah. I don't know if it's worth it to have both. I think I think we don't need this one, to be honest. Let's call it EP visible. I don't know if we need both. Um, but it looks like screen entered isn't doing much, but I think screen exited might be. Yeah, so when she exits the screen, it does this. So I think we'll keep them both there for now. It just means that we don't need this one, but we need EP visible is the thing. See, but this is also screen entered, screen exited, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Hmm. There we are. Let's do that and see what happens. Wah. Nothing. Cool. You know what? I'm just gonna do the Boolean thing. That's much more easy. Um, so let's have a look. Mhm. So on EP enable screen entered. Oh. EP enabled equals false. And then here enabled equals true. So when she enters and then when she exits, EP enabled equals false. So if EP enabled is equal to true, I don't think I need this bit to be there. In fact, I'm gonna set this in here. Maybe? Maybe something like that? Never mind. Never mind. It's true. If EP enabled is equal to true, on right arrow pressed, if EP right presses true, and if EP right presses true, then show maybe? No. Something is happening. Any ideas? Any clues? Just gonna hydrate quickly. Ah, yes, hydration. Spilt water. I am amazing at spilling water on myself. It's like my superpower. Yes. Um, I'm not sure. Something is silly. Something is being silly. Alright. Well, I I will be back soon, but in the meantime, I will be thinking about why this isn't working. Oakley dokley. I am back. And whop. Ka-chow. Back on the grind. Okay, let's see. So, I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. Hmm. Okay, might be this. I think I have an idea. Theoretically. Thank you. Thank you for the welcome back. Also, I plan finally to once this is finished, once I finish the stream, I plan to raid a channel for the first time. So that will be fun. um, I keep clicking on the wrong things. Okay, let's have a look at this. Okay. And it's doing this thing again. Cool. Cool. Amazing. Okay. That's also not working. But that's working now. Yeah, raid. Mostly because I just really want to raid someone. I think it'd be fun. And then maybe if I have more viewers next time, you know, yeah. Oh, give me a second. Okay, so unfortunately, I have to go do something. My dad wants to chat with me quickly about something, so I'll be back again. Alright, we are back once again. Well, there we are. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bam. Version 1.1. Yeah, for real. Oh well, it's fine. I'm back and that's what matters. I'm also going to have a drink of water. Ugh. Ah, yes. Boy, do I love hydration. This may be the most hydrated I've ever been. Had to make a programmer joke. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it. Absolutely superb. So, back on this programmer art. Absolutely lovely. Alright, well, so what we've got so far, and what we're trying to do, we have this character, and the start is perfect. We've set that up so well. I'm so happy with that. So at the start, these just disappear. Ready? Ka-chow. Amazing, beautiful. The only problem is that when clicking on this, it doesn't trigger the event that will go to this second bedroom scene, which is the issue. And so we need to figure out a way to make that all work. I'm thinking it's something to do with my booleans and variables and such. So we have right button press, and we have EP right press, and then we have EP enabled. Alright? So on right arrow pressed, right button press is set to true. And then print this, wheel good. I'm wondering if I need to put some of these variables inside right button press. I'm not too sure, honestly, on how we're gonna do that. But, you know. We'll figure it out, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if putting some of the variables into that one is even going to work. But not much is really working so far, so it's okay. I'm sure we'll figure it out eventually. They would be accessible outside of it. Yeah, yeah. That's very true. Very true. Yeah. I'm wondering if... Do you have any ideas? Does anyone have any ideas? Because I certainly don't. Hmm. Okay. So, trying to look at, like, variables and such. It might be a sequencing problem. You know what? I think you might be right. Because... Oh, finagling. I think you might be right, to be honest. Because it was working previously. We got it to work. And then we did extra stuff, and now it's not working. Which honestly, story of my life in programming. I feel like it's the story of any programmer's life, to be honest. Like, I swear. I swear. uh, question is how to sequence it better, I guess. You know? I think that you're right about that. And now the new question is how do we make it work? How do we make that work? Which I'm not sure I'm not too sure. When does the process function run? The process, it says that it's called every frame. So which is why I was trying to, so because this is called every frame, um that is why if we call this function and put it here, it just and you press it, then when it's set to true, it just continuously prints this. I believe. If that makes sense. uh I I love debugging. I love programming, I swear. Yeah. Hmm. It is a little difficult to like figure out how to do the things. uh, because we had it before. We had it before and then we wanted to do stuff. So, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn things into comments. And I'm gonna turn it all into comments to try and find where it worked and see what we did on top of that. And I'm just gonna put pass. What did indented work? What do you, oh, did I do something? Oh, right, I didn't put anything in here. Pass. Oh, right. Where it checks for both right and yeah, so multi-condition. Oh, wait. Yeah, you're right. I think I was trying to do that, but I forgot that you can just, if thing and thing, then thing, you know? I totally forgot to do that. I was just like, how do I do this thing? And it's like, I don't know. But yeah, no, that. I'm gonna try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. You can come back. 1, 2, 3. Um, if you and press, then theoretically, if we do this, just comment that so I can Yep. Yep. Okay, now let's run through this. So, every frame it checks if EP enabled and right button press are set to true. If that is correct, then it sets EP right press to true. If EP right press is equal to true, then you show the second bedroom scene, right? On right arrow pressed, we set right button pressed to true. And when EP enters the screen, we set EP enabled to true. Let's test it. Please work. No! What am I doing wrong? Errors. Yeah, that's whatever. What am I doing wrong? Damn. I do think that's the correct way to do that. I'm not sure why it's not doing what I want. I think it might have to do with this bit. Maybe. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna get rid of that actually. I forgot I had that in there. Yeah, that's still not doing the thing. Um. Hmm. Oh, how tricky. Oh, how tricky it be. Man. Extra hydration. But yeah, I'm wondering why. I'm sure it's gotta be something silly, right? I might. Uh, hmm. See, try it without right EP press. Just put the scene in the multi-conditional. Okay, okay. Yeah. We'll try that. We'll try that. Yeah. I'll just. I mean, if it doesn't have anything connected to it, then it's not really going to be changing anything, so that's fine to just say that stay there. Okay. So odd. Very odd. Very odd. So it looks like it's just not calling that. Or it's something is going wrong with EP enabled, or with right button press, or where they're sitting in everything. that's what I'm that's what I'm getting. Does Goto have a console? I believe it might. Give me a second. Um, No clue. I have no clue. Let's see. Scene project debug. Editor help. Yeah, I'm not sure. Is there a print? Yes, there's a print statement. Okay, so if we're gonna go, because yeah, I've been using print statements for the arrows to show that they've been pressed. Um, equals true print. It's true. All right. In process before the multi-conditional print both. Ooh, wait, that's so real. That's correct of you. All right. So print EP enabled and right button press. I think that should work. Mayhaps. We do the thing and we do that thing then. Huh. Huh. Well, that would be why it wasn't working. That would be why it wasn't working. Because for whatever reason, it still says it's false. What do we do with this information now? How do we change this? I think is the next question. How do we change it from false to true if we already have things set up to make it true? Yeah, it's not updating the variables. Maybe there's a way. I feel like there's a way to update things. Is there? I wonder if it has like an update, whatever. True. Can we update? No clue. But yeah, it looks like it's doing stuff. Hmm. Yeah, it's very odd. It's very, very odd. I wonder why. I wonder why it's not. Hmm. Or even like how we can make it do that. Yeah. Do you think? Hmm. Maybe we can call the functions. In ready, maybe? Maybe we can call the functions. Or at least call. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And that is why we're here. That is exactly why we're here. Because I don't know, and we're finding out. Well, whoops. I didn't mean to throw that. Is slide to the right printed? Ooh, yeah, great question. Um, it is. Once. We clicked the thing once, but it seems to still not have updated. Which I find really odd. Are you finding this as odd as I am? Because I'm finding it very odd. If it's doing one thing, but it's not updating the variable, like, I believe that is the correct way to update a variable. Very odd. Yeah. Isn't it just? Isn't it just? You know what? Maybe. Give me a second. What I'm going to do, instead of putting it in process, I'm going to also put it here. And right button press. And then print. Oh, wait, no, that's the wrong one. I'll get rid of this because I don't need this right now. Oh, I don't want it yet. And EB enabled. And then, what's the other one that we were doing? It was just EB enabled and button press. Okay. And now we can check if it's because it was in process, I guess. Like, if the process had something to do with it. That, if we go back. Okay, so slide to the right. Okay, so when the right arrow is pressed, it is correctly set to true. However, this just doesn't seem to be doing anything. So I'm wondering if maybe maybe it's something to do with this rather than the things itself, if that makes sense. Like, maybe it's something to do with this node rather than the actual code that we've put in it. Like, I don't think that'd make entire sense for it to be like that, but maybe there's something about this screen-entered business that I'm not getting correct? Question mark? That's like my thought process currently. Because, yeah, it is really odd, but at least one of them is working correctly. Initially setting EP enable to true. Yeah, true. That's smart, that's smart. Set it to true. And then... Alright. Yeah, we'll set it to true. I guess we'll just keep it there. It's not like that's changing the variable thing. And then we can test if that even works. Very smart. Thank you for your help, by the way. It's super appreciated. Alright. Hallelujah. Okay. So, it must have something to do with that one part. Seeing as, you know, so it works in the process if it's set to true, but yeah. No problem, lol. I like coding way too much. That's that's so real. Yeah, it's one of my special interests, to be honest. I love it. It's so fun. I really want to be able to make so many games. uh, I'm so lucky I have a whole 2 weeks to get this done, and by 2 weeks I mean it ends on like the 30th or whatever. But oh man. Really? That's awesome. That sounds like so much fun. Yeah, so hmm. Yeah, it's only that one part of code, this bit, that's being weird. Close poll first. Whoops. I meant down arrow. Sure. But yeah, I'm not sure what's about that one little thing. I'm also just gonna quickly test this bit. Um, yeah. Okay, so it does do that. It doesn't want to show the down arrow though. That's fine though. That's fine. It was, but also over 1,000 lines of code. Oh my god. It was very hard for me to understand when I went back to it all. Yeah, yeah, I'd imagine. I'd imagine so. That sounds crazy. Yeah. Uh, yes. Man. You know what? I'm going to. Let me do this real quick, actually. I wonder what that does. Whoa. I got distracted by looking at Twitch buttons. Yeah, we need to figure out why EP enable is not updating. Because it's weird. It's weird that it's not updating as I'd expect it to. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. When EP enable screen entered. I'm going to remove this bit for now. And do this, and press that, and do that. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's still not doing stuff. Maybe I just need a different. What's the documentation for entered? Yeah, great question. Will it show me? I don't know. Node screen entered. Wait, 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 wait. Why does it say on-screen notifier when it's the on-screen enabler? Disconnect all of that, okay? Just get rid of that. Get rid of that. That's weird. That's weird. Okay. Okay. That's weird. That's weird. Don't do that. Silly. So, what I'm gonna do. So that might be the one that I want. But let's see. Enable mode. Okay, so okay. I'm gonna do something silly. I'm going to redo this because I have an idea of what I want to do. I have an idea. I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'm gonna get rid of that. Right. I have an idea. I have an idea. Worry not. So I'm gonna connect this to this node. But the main important thing, I don't want enable, I want notify, is this. Is on screen. Now that's important. Right? Is on screen. That's something that we want to use. That might work? Yes. That's what I'm thinking, you know? Sometimes I do have a brain that works. But yes, so enable notify. We want notify. So I need to make this EP notif so that I know what it is. What? EP notif screen entered. I mean, I can't just, disconnect that. Delete that. Screen entered, connect. Yeah. On EP notif screen entered. When it enters, set EP notif to true. And I'm going to set this as EP notif. Except I'm gonna have, oops, wrong button. Set that a false. If EP, yeah. If EP, no, we're getting there. We're getting there. Note if it's true. Oops. Print. EP notif. Okay. Well, I mean, yeah. Don't you have a processor? Well, I mean, I'm a cyborg, which is only like part robot, so like I still have a brain, but like I also have processor, you know. sometimes sometimes one of them just doesn't like me enough to work. Sometimes I'm functioning off one brain cell or one. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's fine, it's whatever. But now that we have this, okay, and I'm gonna move this actually. Gonna move this to here. So, you know, it just dawned on me that that's that's correct. That's what we want. Wait, wait, and it worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It worked. Again with the sentience. Yeah, look. It worked. Yay! Oh my gosh. I didn't even register the fact that it worked after I did the thing. I was just like, oh yeah, okay. We'll click on this and we'll click on that. And then I came back and I was like, oh, hey, it has the value that I wanted. And then I was like, wait, it went through the steps that I wanted it to. Oh my gosh, yeah, go get going. Get sleep. Go eat. Go eat. Right now. Go eat right this second. Bye! Thank you so much for staying. It was very helpful. Right. Well, now that we've got this working, it makes it a lot easier to get other stuff working. So, one thing I also want to get working is this second bedroom scene. Right? So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this a print value so that I can make sure that it is definitely working. Right, we do that, we press this, we press that, we leave, pee time, let's go. Wow, that's a lot. Oh yeah, of course, because it goes through that the whole time. Awesome. Well, we know that it's working. Oops, didn't mean to press that. Alright, I'm eep now, bye for real. It's always fun to work with code and you, lol. Haha! Thank you. I'm glad you find it enjoyable. I love working on code and all that. But yes, go eep or else. Okay. Well, we've got that working. And now for the next part. The next part we need is, yeah. So if that and that, then go do this thing, right? And that tells us that, you know, unclothes while pressed, hide, show. So now what I need to do is connect, oh, I need to press this, connect the screen exited function. Right. On screen exit. We need to set EP to EP notif to not true, false. There we are. We're going to print EP notif. Okay. Do that quickly. Was false. Yes! That's what we want. That is exactly what we want. Or else? Yes, or else. I'm not gonna tell you what the or else is, but you better watch out. But yay! We have this working. Oh, this makes me so happy. So the next step, once we've got all this, is when we go here to this beautiful programmer art. I swear I'll fix it up later. But once we go here, we want to be able to click this and then have a button pop up here. Or just have a button pop up in general. So what we want to do is we then have down arrow dot show. Perfect. Test this. Go there. Okay, so it doesn't like me enough. I wonder if... Okay, yeah, no, they're doing their thing. We're going to have to make other variables for this, aren't we? We're gonna have to make other variables. Ah, well, that's all good. Yeah. Let's make some more variables. Variable left button press. Variable up button press. Whoops. And then variable, there we are. Down button press. Perfect. Yeah. Now we've got up arrow. We go. Oh, yeah. Up button press equals true. We've got down button press equals true. And then left button press equals true. Now at some point we are going to have to be able to toggle these in a sense, because we don't want them to be true all the time, obviously, because that can cause problems. And we don't want problems. So. I think what we're going to do now is we need to make sure that it's like this. So we're going to print, what's this one? Down button press. Is that? No, because that's if it's pressed. We don't... Okay. Okay, this is kind of interesting. You know what it is? Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. I know exactly what it is. Yes! Except we have to disable that when it does that. Perfect, okay. I'm just kind of silly. But that's fine. It is what it is. So what we're going to do is right arrow dot hide. We're going to put right button press equals false. And let's see what this does. Perfect. Now, yes, yes, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. Okay. Now, if EP notif and down button press is equal to true, print we're just gonna do that for now. We're just gonna do that. 1, 2, go down. Alright. So actually we'll do that and see how that runs. Is that alright? Okay. We had a similar issue previously with things like this. So on down button press equals true. Say the thing, print down button press, so that we know if it's actually being triggered or not. It is true. Okay. Okay. So then, if these are true, I can get rid of that and show this and hide that arrow. Set right button press to false. Actually, that might be the issue. If I get rid of that, let's do this. Right, down. Okay, so that was the issue. That was the issue there. Perfect. I'm so happy that that is what was happening. That makes things much easier. It was just because I set that to false as we were doing this thing. Because if it's true, then we need to do this. But this is part of that, and yeah. So if down button press EP notif is true, then second bedroom scene, hide, and then can we call okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Do this. Yay. Except the thing is that it still has that. Okay. I've got this, got right arrow dot show, and then down arrow dot hide. We'll see if that does what I want it to do. We go here, we go here. Okay, and that does nothing. Great. How do I get it to do this again? How do I get it to go back to doing this? Maybe I can call a function for that. I'm gonna make a function for that. Function... What are we gonna call it? Let's go... function... start scene. And the start scene is is this. Okay. Well, we hide normal hex. Show EP hex. Up arrow, hide, down arrow, hide, left arrow, hide, right arrow, show. Hide that. If this is true, then call function start scene. And in this, we call the function start scene. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, okay, okay. Aha. Interesting. Okay. Yep. I wonder if we have to do... We do something like that on screen until EP notif is true. Yep. Okay. That might be a problem with that. See what happens if I set that to that. Okay. Go here, go here. Oh, yes! We have the loop! Now what happens if we go... Okay, interesting, interesting. But we have the loop that we want for that bit, which, you know, makes me very happy. So, now that we've got that loop figured out, we need to figure out how unclothes pile pressed is going to work. Because we need that. So, yeah. If EP and down button press is equal to true, start scene. Else if you know what? If is pressed is equal to true. Except now we need to make variable which is equal to false, which makes unclothes pile pressed set clothes pressed to true. Print that. Actually, print. No, we already have a previous print thing. We'll just need to print the bool. So clothes pressed. Hopefully this does what I want. Or not, you know. Okay. Oh, because I didn't put a thing there. Silly me. Silly me. So, unclothes pressed. I'm gonna get rid of that from start. From start scene. So I'm going to put this here. But I'm going to call the start scene function set EP notive to false, hide EP, show normal. Okay? Okay. I think this might be yet another problem with having this set something to false while in the thing that it needs it to be true. Uh-huh. Huh. Okay. Okay. So I don't know why that's taking me. It shouldn't. Hmm. Yeah, so this is being a little silly. I'm not sure why. Hmm. Yeah, unclothed while pressed. Because it's a texture button. Theoretically, it should be returning values for me. Hmm. It's also not saying the thing it needs to say. Yeah, it's not. Hmm. Interesting. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a break now. I'm going to have a quick break, and I will be back shortly. Okay. Okay, we're back. My mic was being really silly for a bit. But that's okay, that's okay. I'm wondering if you can hear my cat. He's being such a sook. What's up? What's up, honey? Come on. Oh dear. The amount of times that my cats have like wanted to be in my room and then immediately left is crazy. Insane. I let him in and this is how he treats me. Oh dear. Anyways, I hope the break was good. I know my break was good. We're gonna have some water and then get back into coding. I'm basically gonna be streaming as long as I want to / can today, but I do have some gaming that I'm going to be doing with friends later this afternoon, so, you know. Alright. I do, however, plan to do a proper gaming stream in future, seeing as my very first stream I was incredibly laggy, but I do have some Minecraft prepared for future streams, which is exciting for me at least. I hope you all find it exciting. Now, back to where we left off. What were we doing? That's right. This. So, I'm thinking. We're gonna do this. See what happens. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. So, something is happening. Okay? I mean, that's fairly obvious. But something is happening in regards to when the clothes pile has been pressed, right? Yeah. Sorry, I had something in my eye. So, we need to do something with the clothes pile. We need to do something with the clothes pile. The question is what? What do we need to do to make it actually work? Because right now, obviously, it isn't. And we kind of need it to, because that's part of what starts off the proper game. It's, well, yeah, it's like the first proper sort of thing that you kind of do. Yeah. should we do with this information? Let's see. So, one thing that I did before was to make this all much easier to deal with. I put it in a function. Now, I'm just going to delete that function because I don't believe we need it. Function starts in, where's the other? Right, yep. It's true, print, looking as intended. Yep. If clothes pressed is equal to true, we're going to print getting dressed. Else if print be not working. Right? So what we want to do here, or yeah, what we want to do here is go here, press that. Can't press anything else, it looks like. See, it says working as intended. Does it say anything else? Or is it all just working as intended? Going down and true. So when the down arrow is pressed, it says going down and it says that it's set to true. Right? Yeah, that's great. So what's that? Down press. Yeah. Okay. So it starts with maybe not working, which is, that's fine. Just gonna pass. Then the first one is where I pressed this one. And then, why does it say going down? Huh? Why does it say going down if I didn't even press it? Wait, this might have something to do with this. I'm gonna have to deal with that. No. Okay, well. I think it just might be an art issue. We're going to try this. Go here. Press here. There we are. It just was doing that instead of... I hate when it's something stupid like that. It's so very annoying. So annoying. Because it's just like, of course. Oh well. Oh well. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Well, at least we found that out. That's good, that's good. It means we have progress, you know? And progress is great. I hate being stagnant in whatever I'm doing. But this tells me that maybe some of it is just literally the art. Some of it is just that it has empty space in the art that I have to fix. Oh dear. That kind of bugs me though. Kind of bugs me, you know? It's very, very annoying. But at least we know that that works. Which means... well, if that works and that was all that was happening, maybe we can still have this extra function. What do we think? What do we think? Fun. Function... what should we call it? Function start screen is what we called it earlier. There we are. Clothes pressed. And then start screen, except we do that. Theoretically, this might work. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it worked! Oh my gosh, it worked! Yes! Yes! Oh, finally. Oh, I'm so glad I figured out it was just that. Oh, that makes things so much easier. Yeah, that makes things so much easier. Except the thing is, I'm probably... I'm gonna put this as main bedroom, right? Pass says main bedroom. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Because this only needs to be there for the very start, right? Because we're changing this. So in main bedroom, you have to spice this up a bit. Show. Oh my god, no, I just want that. Hide. Up arrow, hide. Down arrow. Show. Left arrow. Show. Right arrow. Hide. Alright? Alright? We got that? We got that? And now... we can get rid... actually... we can call this... we can do that. And then... print... we can do that. Now... 1, 2... oh, that doesn't do anything. Okay. Then... okay, interesting, interesting. Very interesting. So it did press that. Well, it's all correct. surely. Go there. Okay. And then you can't do that. Yep. Great. I think what I'm gonna have to do, right? I think what I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna make this an if. And then theoretically, okay, if I do this, I've done that. I put that in there. Okay. We can print. What should we print? We'll do that. Okay. 1, 2. Then if we press that, that doesn't do anything, which is fine. That's fine. Okay. Dun. Whoops. And then do main bedroom. Okay. Alright. This will be interesting. So, if EP is on screen, and if the right button has been pressed, then it'll show the second bedroom. The second bedroom scene, I should say. Then, it will also hide the right arrow. Alright. Now, we don't have to hide the down arrow because that's already hidden. So, that means that if we press the clothes, then we show the down arrow. If the down arrow has been pressed, we print that, and we do main bedroom. Now this, I should put that at the start probably, just for ease. Hide the up arrow, show the down arrow, show the left arrow, hide the right arrow, and show normal hex. Then EP notif will equal false. Okay. We go here, we do this, we go there. Look at that. Look at that. That's exactly what I want. That is exactly what I want. How good is that? How good is that? I am so happy with that. I am incredibly happy with that. Alright. Now, if you just give me a second, I'm going to... Oh my gosh, I can't spell. Slash Da. Um. Okay, cool. We've done that. Now. So I've done that, right? Didn't mean to do that, but so I'm happy with that. I'm happy. I'm very happy with that. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Do that. And I'm gonna put that over there. Oh, jeez, that's a lot of dust. Oh. Sorry. Anyways. Now, what I want to do, because I had so much trouble with it earlier, I am going to yeah, I'm going to do this. The HUD. Because it has been very annoying. For like no reason. Okay. I'm going to go name hide hide button hide. Okay. Okay. What am I gonna do in here? I'm just gonna close that so that what's this? Bedroom scene. Story pages. Yeah, that can go away. That can go away. Okay. Okay. Finally, we're getting around to doing the main menu. Why? Because I wasn't doing it earlier because it was being an absolute pain. But by looking at the main, it's kind of Okay, on HUD start game. Yeah, connect. Sorry. On HUD start game. Yep. Great. I'm going to get that. And okay, so as it was earlier, not working. Amazing. Love to see. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I am currently making a test to see if it's even picking up that it's being pressed. Because I have a feeling it's something to do with the signal, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so it is being pressed. It is getting that right, yep. Okay. The thing is, this, like, I'm not sure if it's, I have a feeling it's the signal. I have a feeling it's just the signal that's being kind of weird. Yep, press that, that's great. I can press these. You know what? I am just going to come back later to the menu, because that's just really annoying, you know? It's not it's not working very well. And then you have this, which, whoops. I have nothing in 3D. I don't need to be there. But thing is, alright. The thing is, oh hey, you're back. Yeah, it's going really well. I'll show you what I did, actually. I think you'll find it cool, but I finally got stuff to work, which is great. Not the menu, because the menu's being annoying and weird, but I have... Alright, let's see. Let's start this bad boy up. So as you can see, we have the general screen. Amazing. And then if you go here, you press this, and it pops up with the down button, and you go back. Kabam! How cool is that? I finally got it done. I'm so happy about that. And then the next bit is making programmer art. More programmer art, I should say. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, it is pretty cool. I'm very happy with it, at the very least. Having more water. We love hydration. Let's go! More art! Yep, basically. So, I am going to open up my art program so that I can make more very silly programmer art. And yeah. We're gonna make something work. Because we need to make the next scene, right? We need to make the next scene. So, if I save that quickly so as to not dox myself. I'm gonna check my list that I made on my phone regarding what I actually need. Okay, cool. So, save it there. Watch me fall asleep in like 5 minutes. That's so real, that's always how it be. Alright, cool. I'm going to... Where is it? Okay, first... Alright, let's talk about midway. With this weird pale pink that I decided on for whatever reason. Whoa! And then fill that in. Beautiful. And then... Alright. And then we do this, and we do... Where is it? We do that. That's like weird pale yellow. Like orangey yellow, I guess. What? It keeps doing that. I don't like the fact that it does that. Even though it is program art, I hate this bit right here. There we are. Amazing. Actually, now we need turn this down a bit. Perfect. Alright, so this scene will be interesting. Gonna make actually I need a different layer for this. It's going to have what? Whoops. Perfect. Actually, I don't know what I want that to be. I just know that I need like a front door for this, right? I need a door. Give it a little handle, I guess. I don't like that handle. Let's make it kind of fancy. We have a fancy handle. Superb. You know what I just thought about? Who came up with EPN1? Wait, so true. So true. Who came up with that? Because, like, honestly, absolute slay. I love it. But also, like, yeah, what the hell? I didn't even, like, think about that. EP and, like, EBITY and, like, all that. Also, I'm gonna match those. What do you think we need for, like, a front door scene? Door! Yeah. what do we need for a front door scene? Because, okay, the idea with this bit is that you are collecting things around the place so that you can head out the door and into the outside world. And so, like, you collect a few of your items via solving puzzles, I guess. But like, maybe there should be a collectible beside the door. Yeah, windows. Windows would be cool. Ka-chow. And ka-chow. And ka-chow. It's a very nice open place. They can be one separate thing. A coat hanger? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I feel like I want something, maybe some form of like, because it feels really empty with this. Maybe we could have like a downstairs. What do we think? What do we think? Like a downstairs. Cause that could be cool. Let's say, let's get rid of that and yeah. We can put the door. Make the window a bit smaller. Grab the door. Tuck it over this way. And then make like a little stairwell. Yeah. Something stairs. Yeah, that'll do. That's stairs enough. This is a nice fancy modernist building. Definitely. Alright. Uh-huh. This is the most beautiful stairwell I've ever made in my life. It's not wonky, I promise. It's a feature. It's called a feature. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Yep, this is great. This is just amazing. It's not a bug, I promise. It's definitely a feature. You know, it was intended for people to like accidentally fall down here. That's just how it is, you know? Stairs. Drawing with a mouse is like so hard sometimes. Yeah, that'll do. That's great. That's fine. Totally. Uh-huh. As God intended. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright. Let's make the door a classic brown. Gonna have a fancy door handle, I guess. Whoops. This is great. This is so good. We'll make it like a... Make it like a fancy... Yeah, that's great. That's... Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Definitely. That's what we want. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Look at how crunch-alicious that is. Does that not look beautiful? Yes, amazing stairs. I know. They're just so good. They don't look like someone just, like, unfolded a cardboard box at all. Oh, they're awful. I love it. This is the best way to do programmer art, you know? Now, while I save them separately, gonna have to do this. Let's see, save the background first. And let's go there. And we'll do that. Yeah, whatever. And then we'll do that. And then the window. Window. There we are. And then the stairs. Perfect. Okay. And now I'm gonna add them into Godot. Make a new scene. Okay. And then alright, if I grab this and I squish it. Let's see, where is it? Aha! I've got stairs, window, door, and the background. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. we need a new folder. Front door scene. Front door stairs, front door window, front door window. Now that's what I'm talking about. Front door scene. Okay. Perfect. Put that there. Put them. Yeah, we'll put them there. Put them off to the side, actually. Yeah, that's I think that's good. Alright. Well, I think that's good. I think it's amazing. Question mark. Alright. For whatever reason that wasn't on that. Weird. Okay, cool. So. Perfect, amazing, gorgeous. Now we have to instantiate child scene, which is the front door scene. You know what I've just realized? This weird, like, programmer art clothes looks like just a really badly drawn tongue. And I think that's really weird. I curse you with that knowledge. I curse you. I curse you with that exact knowledge. Okay. Now what we want to do is... yeah. Stairs, window. Yep, that works. We want to be able to go from this arrow to show this scene. Which, I think we have to do that specifically in main, maybe? Unless I want to, like... Wait, I have an idea, actually. I have an idea. We have main scene, which has all these, but... what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a separate scene that is just the house scene. So... what? Oh, maybe because these are all... Alright. Perfect. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. What do we do? Instantiate this one and this one. There we are. Alright, perfect. Now that we've done that, yeah, okay. Wait. Run current scene. Okay, yeah. Cool. So. Attach script. Yep, create. Cool, awesome. Alright, so we have this. Amazing. So, should have everything from these two. Okay. So, man, I don't fully remember. Okay. You know what? Let's just have a look. Let's see. Okay. If we have these two in one thing. How do I access functions and stuff from this one? Or can I not do that? Is the question, I reckon. I reckon that's the question that I need to ask for this. So let's have a look. Godot. How to use functions from Okay. Huh. Interesting. So I guess... okay. I'm gonna have to look at this. Okay. Well. If we go here and extend... I want the documentation for extends. Is there a way, I believe... Cut file script. No. Actually, that might be it, but... Search docs extends. None of these are... Oh. Defines the class the script inherits or extends. Okay. Very cool. Alright, well. What do we want to do exactly? Gonna have to look at these. So, currently what we have to do, right, is we have this, and we have our base game, I guess. What we need to do is when left arrow is clicked, we want to go to the front door scene, right? So to do this, if this and right button, Okay, so what we need to do, right? What we need to do is we already have this done. So we need to make a new thing for the front door scene, right? So how do we go about that? The thing I want to use is variable, so that maybe if we set that as like if this is true and that is false, then we can do that, right? So do we put it in? We put it in this. So if is equal to false, and if that is false and left button press is equal to true, then not declared in the current scope. How do I declare them? How do I do that? I think that's... How do we declare the current scope? Let's see. Or like... I probably should have known that wouldn't work, but... interesting. You know what I think we need to do? I think we need to send a signal. I think that's what we need to do with that. And then we need to connect it there to ask if it's doing things, you know? So... yeah, process. I'm just gonna... keep that tidy. Because we like when things are tidy and easy to read. Okay. If this... Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we need to say if this and that, whatever, you know? So, if, upnotif is equal to false, and, left button press is equal to true. Then, then emit a signal. What did we do for that? That was in HUD. Signal that. Okay. So signal front door. If that and that. Then so what the right. Do this, do that, do that. Okay, so that works. Which is good. That's what I like to see. I like it when things work. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, if that does that, does that, then we need to emit that signal. Which, start seeing, yep. Connect. Yep. Print signal received so that I know that it has the signal. Yes! Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Print signal received. And bedroom scene. Hide. Whoops, I keep doing that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Look at us go! Alright. That makes that easy. And that makes me happy. Now. Okay. Now that we've done that, what we want to do is go over here and have I not given it a oh dear. Do this and attach a script. Oops. Okay, cool. We have a script for that now. What I'm going to do is steal some of these. There we are. What? Okay. And we're going to copy and pasting a lot of stuff. I'm sure I can write up something for this. However, I am very much a beginner and don't know what I'm doing, so it's easier if I just do this. Like, at the end of the day, as long as I get the game done, I can always optimize it later. You know? Like, there's always time for that later. I think the main thing that I want to do is to just get it done. Alright, now that we've done that, we have all these, we have all those. Okay, now we can start to work on some of these things. Let's have a look at this. Okay, that's kind of weird. But it is what it is. Okay. Superb. Okay. I think okay. I think what I'm gonna do is get rid of that arrow and get rid of that arrow, right? Because what? Yeah, whatever. Okay. So no, wrong one. There we are. What did I have here? I had the sprite. Do I want to have the sprite follow? Nah, I think that's fine. Okay. Now we have the door, stairs, window, yep. Okay, that's cool, that's good. What I want to do... Stairs? Wait, didn't I have some things? No. I had the clothes pile, so yeah. I'm going to make some of these into texture buttons because that's easier to deal with. It's just easier to deal with texture buttons, to be honest. Okay. Let's see. We have one texture button. I'm going to use that for the door. We have the front door. I'm just gonna call it front, honestly. Yeah, we have the front door, and now we need another one for the stairs. Perfect. Let's see. So front door, connect, front stairs. What? Oh, on front. Okay. Oh well. I will just. Okay. I don't know why it's saying this, but whatever. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's completely fine. Okay. Well. I think now I have to do something similar as to what I did in the bedroom scene. Where I just put some variables and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So, we are going to go. We don't need these. Door press equals false. We're going to have stair press equals false. But we're also gonna have door unlocked, which is also false. So, in ready, we are going to have the up arrow hidden. We're going to have the down arrow shown. We are going to have the left arrow hidden. And we're going to have the right arrow shown. Alright. I think that's good. Okay. My brain has kind of slowed down from earlier. I've been working on this so long. Yeah. Okay. So we have that. We have this. And we need a way to unlock the door, right? So I need a feeling I'm gonna need to use signals for that, unfortunately. I don't really like using signals just because they're kind of fiddly for me, but, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm probably going to finish up the stream kind of soon, and by kind of soon, I mean like maybe within the next 45 minutes, or like I'll keep going for another 45 minutes, you know? So, let's see. We have that, we have that. Okay, so yeah, we need some way, probably using signals, to have door unlocked. So, on door pressed, then set door press to true, and print that's a door. I can spell door, I swear. It's such a simple word, and yet. And then we'll do the same with stairs. Stair press. True. And print. Basement. Oh my gosh. It's a basement stairwell. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So, when we start... Oh! Why? Okay. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to say that. Front door. Show. Front stairs. Show. And then window dot show. What? Okay, I don't... Why? Why? I don't know why they're doing that. I know why they're doing that. Oh, it's because I'm silly. It's not that they weren't there. It's that I just, forgot to give them a texture. So if we put this here... maybe not texture size. Oops. Yeah. That's insane. Oh well. She'll be right. And then front stairs. We need to give you a texture. We go quick load, and then stairs. Amazing. Yeah, that's... I'm just gonna put them there, honestly. Oops, I did not mean to press you. You know what? I think that's good enough. So, oh my gosh, I keep doing that. That's kind of crazy. But yes. Alright. Now, press 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's basement stairwell, and that's a door. Perfect! That's exactly what I want. Except that, you know, these didn't do anything, but that's whatever. Well. Oh well, that's pretty good, I reckon. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, okay. Well, that is pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. I am starting to lose focus and get kind of tired. But we've done a whole lot today. So thank you so much for coming along and helping and hopefully having fun. I'm very happy with like what I've gotten done today, considering, you know, everything. So yeah, thank you so much. And I hope to go live again maybe tomorrow. I'm hoping tomorrow. But yeah, there's still until I believe it's the 30th. So, you know, still a little while yet, but I feel like it's not enough to get this done. Maybe it is. Hopefully it is. But, you know. So, thank you so much. It was a delight. I'll transition to this scene now. There we are. Yeah, it was great fun. I had fun. I hope you had fun. And I will hopefully see you next time. But first, let's set up a raid. Let's raid someone. Let's go. Let's see. Same category. And who should we go to? Who should we go to? Ooh, someone else is doing Godot stuff. This could be fun. Alright. Are you ready? Alright. And now. Yep. Alright. Have fun.